Are you still there? Can I tell you a secret? Sometimes, when I'm feeling lonely, I walk through the cemetery, and I feel less alone.
Take me back to old Vermont, for my lake and mountains do change. And don't ask me what I want. Darkened stairwells are still open spaces. My personality is a case-by-case basis. I want thick guts of blood and talking boars, the red leaves and thickening flowers amongst soft green. I want. Bring me back to old Vermont. I need to read the graves. I too come from old lands. I know ink and paper can change, stone words can fade. In what book will they find us? My hands withered and grayed. No memory of you, only of the blue. They will bring my fingertips to your pictured jaw, and I will see your withered couch, and the blood on my foot I forced you to pop, the bone-covered streets we walked, where each turn you turned away from me, but still I knew your truth. Bird to my bird.
I know I don't deserve it, but can I tell you one last secret? I know I'm not gentle, soft, and I know I made this more difficult. But this is the end. This is all you'll have to hear. All our feathers can be shed. My last secret, dear bird, I'm sorry.